I just briefly to tell you what's happened. She's Iranian but lives in Cyprus. She's built the gas past 2 days, cup number 1. But when she uses a cup number 1, she feels what we call plasmatic pressure on the right leg. And I asked her to immediately make a cup 2 and see if we see anything from breast down. Cup number 1, you spray once a day from head to toe. This shows the neuro damage because most of the lungs and nervous system and brain are of the same kind of structure. Cup number 1 is set for that. And cup number 2 is mainly for red tissue muscles, starting from under the breast. You never use at the moment the cup number 2 above the chest line. It's for all the intestines and everything else. And if you feel a pain, we see this in a woman. You see the pressure in the womb, in the ovaries. You feel pressure and pain into the legs and nerve system. And then we consider it to be a positive in that direction. But once you spray number 2 and you feel the pain in the stomach and the legs, it's 100% on that. There is no worry. It can be changed within 48 hours.